Now we're going to demonstrate after stop the production how we dismantle the mold and clean out. First, switch off the main power. Okay, so after that, open these two knobs. Okay, as you can see, this is all the gear. So have to make sure when the machine is operating, the cover is locked. Okay, after that, release the two black color knot behind. Release it. Just now we will tension it. Okay, after that, this knot for the knife one have to remove down also. Put down. You can see, put down. Okay, after that, have to loosen the alignment for the belt. Both sides, left and right. Okay, so loosen both sides, 4 screws for the mold to take out. So we will provide one set of Allen key and all the tools needed for this particular machine. So, have you noticed that every single block there is the numbering? So this one is to make sure after we put it back, have to put it back accordingly. Cannot miss out the left and right because on the block itself is the numbering, and the button here also the numbering. So have to tally. Okay. So after that, the mold can be taken out from the machine. Okay, so we can clean out the mold just like that. Okay, as you can see, this one also can be removed already, the knife. Just now we put down the spring already. Okay, have to make sure. So this is the flow, how to open the mold, to get out the mold, to wash. Thank you.